Okay, so exciting day. Today we've got the concrete going into the French. It's the start of week 4. Yeah, all the foundation dig was signed off on Thursday or Friday last week. So yeah, the guys are just putting in the concrete now. This is the first load, and it's 7 cubic meters total, but 4 cubic meters in the first truck and 3 cubic meters in the second. So you can see, yeah, it's extremely sloppy mix, which makes it very easy to flow it around there. Fortunately, you didn't need wheelbarrows or anything. They just poured it straight in and gave it a very light raking round, but virtually nothing. It just loops round the corner like that. Still got that drain in there, and as you'll see in a minute, it comes up to just past the bottom of that. So it'll be interesting to see how they deal with that later on. We had to clean the trench up as we had pretty heavy rain, so yeah, they had to clear all that up as some of it collapsed in. Yeah, we've got the blocks being delivered. Guy only just managed to get that truck in there. So yeah, he's just unloading some blocks, some looks like sharp sand, some cement, looks like some lintels in there as well. And here we go, we have blue circle cement, some smaller blocks there, not sure what they're for, just look like maybe to make up some gaps somewhere. Oh, we've got the 100mm, that one looks like it's cracked in half. And if we go around to take a look at the concrete, this has been in probably 7 hours now, so it's starting to set. It's gone off surprisingly quick. Just managed to avoid a huge amount of rain. There was some rain earlier today, but hasn't really affected it, to be honest. And there's the drain I was talking about earlier. It's just covered the bottom of that. It got a little bit wet in this corner where the downpipe used to be. So there we have it. Concrete is in. Slightly scared how much extra it's going to cost me to get that in there, but I'll find out pretty soon, no doubt. And that is Monday.